In IT asset disposition, every second counts and every device matters. PC Doctor Factory is the complete diagnostic solution built for ITAD workflows, helping improve quality, cut costs, and streamline every step. Know exactly what you've got from the start. Factory automatically identifies and verifies all system components, giving you a complete and accurate hardware profile in seconds. Determine if a system is functional, failing, or end of life. Smart automation helps you triage devices quickly without the guesswork. Data sanitization built in. Factory integrates secure drive erase functionality with standards-compliant certificate generation, ensuring every device meets regulatory and organizational data disposal requirements. Whether it's one system or 10,000, Factory ensures consistent diagnostics across all teams and locations. Every device is tested to the same exacting standards, no matter where it's processed or who is running the tests. Every device that leaves your facility should be fully functional. Factory confirms performance and configuration before final approval. In ITAD, your reputation is built on trust, security, and speed. PC Doctor Factory delivers diagnostics you can depend on, from intake to final disposition. Ready to transform your workflow? Contact us today to request a free evaluation.